it's Elizabeth, and welcome to Craftmas on my channel. Before we get started, I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you guys because we passed the 100 subscriber milestone. So keep a lookout in the new year for a 100 subscriber special video that I have planned. But anyways, today I am bringing you a what I got for Christmas video. This is in no means me trying to brag or anything like that. I just think these videos are super duper fun to watch, so I decided to make one for you guys. So grab yourself some hot cocoa and let's get started with the video. So this year we haven't gotten a chance to exchange any gifts with extended family, but I did receive an early Christmas present from my grandma, which is this candle from Bath & Body Works. It's so cute with little drips. It's called Ski Lodge and the scent is hot cocoa and cream. And it smells exactly like hot cocoa. It smells so good. I haven't lit it yet, but this is what I got from her. It's so cute. It looks like little gingerbread houses. The next thing that I'm going to share are from my Secret Santas that I did. The first Secret Santa I did with my friend group, the Point Pals, who all do point at my studio. And so my friend got me all of these holiday scrunchies because she knows how much I love scrunchies. So they're so cute. They all have little, oh my gosh, I dropped one. But they all have little snowflakes on them and they're just adorable. And then she also got me this cute little mini waffle maker that is mint and it is so cute and I'm really excited to make waffles with it. She also got me this waffle and pancake mix to go with it so that I can make some waffles, which I'm really excited about. And the next Secret Santa that I did was with my high school dance team, and so from that I got this set of body mists that are Cozy Vanilla, Pretty Peony, Fresh Rose, and Coconut Breeze. And these are all pink and blue, which is my favorite colors, so that is super duper cute. And I'm excited to use all these. Look at them, they're so tiny and adorable. And also from that Secret Santa, I got this super soft, let me say super soft. It's so fuzzy, like if you could feel it through the camera, seriously. It's this blanket and it has all of these cute little holiday penguins on it that are all wearing hats and scarves. And again, like I literally can't emphasize this enough, this is like the softest blanket ever, so I'm so happy about this. It's so soft. And moving on to what I got from Santa this year, I have my stocking here, and in our stocking this year, my sisters and I got a bunch of chocolate candies. These are Lindor ones and they're so good. They like literally melt in your mouth, like best chocolates ever. So yeah, that's what I got in my stocking. And then wrapped up from Santa, the first thing I got were some hair ties, which are definitely an essential. Thank you, Santa. And then I got some fuzzy socks. These ones say rocking around and then they have a little Christmas tree and they're like the aloe infused ultra comfort ones, so they're like really soft. So these are just, I'm excited to wear them because I love Christmas fuzzy socks. And then I also got some more socks. These ones are ankle ones because this is just like the kind of socks that I wear every day and I like to have super duper fun ones. So I have some Christmas ankle socks because I had not had any ankle socks that I can wear like every day under like my Adidas shoes. So these ones are super duper fun. And the last thing that I got from Santa was the Hairstyles Fine Line CD. So I am super duper excited to listen to this. I love getting CDs for Christmas. That's like one of my favorite gifts to receive. And yeah, if you know me, I've been really loving Harry Styles lately, and I kind of have gotten into the whole Hairstyles and One Direction fandom, so I'm really excited about this, and I'm so excited. And then Santa also brings gifts that my sisters and I all share, so from that this year we got Family Feud like card game so that you can like read out the questions and like play teams. So that's super fun, and we played this a bit on Christmas. And speaking of things we played on Christmas, we also got Mario Kart for our Wii, and we spent so much time playing this. It's so fun. My favorite is Coconut Mall. I just can't even explain. I don't know why. Coconut Mall just makes me so happy. But speaking of my sisters, they got me something that I didn't even put it on my list, but they just knew me so well. They knew that I would love this, and it is this DIY Babe sweatshirt that is Lore DIY merch, and I really love like this color pink, and obviously I love Lore DIY, and I've like always looked at the merch, and so I have it now. So excited. I wore this like the rest of Christmas Day. It's so cozy. It's literally so soft. Now finally we have the gifts from my parents. So they got me these succulents that are like draping ones. So they like stick into a pot, and then I'm gonna put them on top of my bookshelf so that they can like drape down the side of it. And I think that's going to be super duper cute. And if you don't know me, I love succulents, so like literally the perfect gift for me is always succulents. And then lastly from my parents, I got these curtains that are black with these silver designs on them that are like squiggly lines with dots on them, and they're so pretty, and they're kind of minimalistic so that they can go and match whatever my room theme is, because I like to change out my theme. So I have a fall room, I have a Christmas room, and then I have like a room that I have the rest of the year. So these curtains will go with all of my room decorations, so that is super duper exciting, and I'm excited to hang them up. So that is everything I got for Christmas 2020. Comment down below and let me know what you got for Christmas this year, or just how you spent the holidays with your friends or family, because I would love to know. But if you like this video, make sure to give it some love by hitting the thumbs up button, and also join the fun by subscribing. I'd love to have you here, and follow me over on Instagram and Pinterest so that you don't miss fun things like I did a live while getting ready for this video today, which is super fun to have you guys all there. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Mahalo!